Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E capsules on hair. This easy method can help nourish your scalp and promote healthy hair. First, gather your essential items. Vitamin E capsules, a small bowl, and a carrier oil. You'll want to select a high-quality vitamin E oil and a good carrier oil, such as coconut, olive, or almond oil, to begin this beneficial treatment. Now let's prepare the mixture. Carefully puncture 2 to 3 vitamin E capsules using a clean pin or needle. Squeeze all the oil from these capsules into your small, clean bowl. Next, add about 2 tablespoons of your chosen carrier oil to the vitamin E. Stir the mixture thoroughly until both oils are completely combined. This ensures an even distribution of nutrients for your hair. With your oil mixture ready, it's time for application. Begin by sectioning your hair into manageable parts. This helps ensure even coverage. Gently massage the oil mixture directly into your scalp for about 5 minutes, stimulating blood flow. Then, apply the remaining oil to the lengths and ends of your hair, making sure every strand is coated. Full coverage from roots to tips is key for maximum benefit. After applying the oil, allow it to work its magic. Leave the treatment on your hair for at least 30 minutes. For a deeper conditioning experience, you can even leave it on overnight. Once the waiting period is over, wash your hair thoroughly with a mild shampoo. Rinse with lukewarm water until all traces of the oil are completely removed, revealing soft, nourished hair. Enjoy your revitalized locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.